knock it up.
The story of the
Can you
bears.
tell Aunt Supa about the 3 little bears?
Oh yeah.
Okay, I will do it. Once upon a time, there was 3 bears in their porch. They were hot, and then they said, "Take a walk," and suddenly Goldilocks came, and then
What happened when Goldilocks showed up at their house? What did she try?
she tried a porch. She tried the daddy porch, but it was too hot. She tried the mommy's porch, and it was too cold. And the baby bear, and it was this wet, and she said, "Rum, yum, yum, yum," and she ate it all up.
And
then what happened?
then what she
And
tried?
she was tired, and she tried the daddy bear, but it was too bumpy.
Too bumpy.
She tried the mommy's one, but it was too bumpy. She tried the baby one, and it was this white. And she sat on it all day. And suddenly the bears came, and they said, "Someone was in my porch." Whoa! Someone was in my porch.
You're gonna put him in here?
Eating my porch is all gone.
Then
And then what happened to Goldilocks?
I'll get it.
She was, and someone was sleeping in my bed. Whoa! Someone was sleeping in my bed. Someone was sleeping in my bed. Why? And there she was.
yeah.
And what happened? What did Goldilocks do?
Whoa! And she waked up.
Then
And then what'd she do?
And then she went out the window, and she never came back. The
Oh, yeah?
end.
The end.